What percentage of U.S. electricity comes from renewable energy sources? In today's energy landscape, the question on many people's minds is, what percentage of electricity in the United States comes from renewable sources? This topic has gained attention recently as more individuals and businesses seek sustainable energy options. With climate change concerns and rising energy costs, understanding the current state of renewable energy is essential. As of the latest data, renewable energy sources are making a mark, but they still account for less than half of the total electricity generated in the United States. Recent statistics indicate that renewables, which include wind, solar, hydroelectric, and biomass, contribute approximately 20% to 22% of the nation's electricity generation. This figure can vary based on the time of year and the specific data source. Hydropower plays a significant role in this mix, representing about 27% of the renewable generating capacity. However, actual electricity generation from hydropower is typically lower than this percentage due to varying water availability and demand. Wind and solar energy are rapidly increasing, with utility-scale solar becoming more affordable and wind energy expanding its share. Yet, they still fall behind natural gas and coal in overall generation. Looking at recent trends, there has been a steady rise in renewable electricity generation. For example, in March 2025, electricity generation from renewables in the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development region, which includes the United States, grew by 4.5% compared to the previous year. This growth is driven by new solar and wind projects, although it faces challenges such as policy changes and funding adjustments. Some states are setting ambitious renewable energy goals. New York, for instance, aims for 70% renewable electricity by 2030 and 100% by 2040. However, as of 2024, nearly half of New York's electricity still comes from natural gas. Similar trends can be observed in other states, where renewable energy is increasing but has not yet become the dominant source. Utilities are actively working to incorporate more renewable energy into the grid. However, this transition is gradual. Currently, for every 100 units of electricity generated in the United States, about 20 to 22 units come from renewable sources. The remainder is sourced from natural gas, coal, nuclear, and a small percentage from other sources. In summary, while the share of electricity generated from renewable sources in the United States is on the rise, it currently stands at around 1/5 of the total. Hydropower, wind, and solar are leading this charge, and utilities continue to balance reliability, cost, and environmental goals as they adapt to this evolving energy landscape.